for this error check, error corrections. Yeah. For what is error check, error correction? Did you heard for parity bit or having code or anything? Anyway, you can see in the computer world, data exchange takes place in various places. Let's think of a delivery game. For example, I wanted to say 1, 2, 3 is more high up. So, for example, when we are playing delivery game, but I cannot speak, only can handle by using my hand, cannot say. Some understand, but something misunderstand. Just only so Mr. Yung just only say 1, 2, 3. After that, Mr. Yung explain to you, so you can another misunderstand. But after that, Miss Joy and some return to some result data, some really change. It can be ABC. Yeah. This data is error. Yes. How to check this error? Yeah. So let's think of delivery game. This game that some sentence already delivered to distance other person. But this example for orally, but I just example cannot speak, just only some body language using. In this delivery game, the meanings change as the first sentence is transmitted through several persons. In the end, sentences that are completely different from original meaning are often delivered the same. I just only want to say just more type up, but result data can change. For example, this one. It is easy to understand using picture to understand something. Yeah, picture it can easy understand. But second time, it is easy to understand using picture. Third time, it's easy to understand. Rest time, it's easy. Just disappear. So watching picture or anything, just easy. So let's take a closer look. A similar phenomenon occurs in the computer world as if the sentence was not delivered correctly in the delivery game. It's same. Data corruption during communication. Most communication methods use electronic signal to exchange data. Electrical noise is generated by a writing stroke during the pass. Data may be damaged. Yeah. Second, data corruption on the chip. The data in the memory is also stored electronically. Because of this, there are cases where the value changes due to. So this is meant to detect mistake or error. I also said that parity bit. The parity bit is a bit for detecting an error. Only error detection is possible, but it cannot be correct. example, so when using data, original data, we are some 7-bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So, we are using parity bit is some even number. Even number. When using even, for this one, how many? 2 is even. Is correct. But when delivery finished, so can count. Even. But sometimes can happen the error. They are odd. So we can check this one. Even. Error. Sorry, I some misguided to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are parity bit. Add 1 bit. Yeah, or add 1 bit to this one. And make even. When some promise this, when using even, okay, this one, using this parity bit. Also, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More 6 or 7 more is not important. Just for example. But when error happen, you can actually balance. This is what happen, so we can check error. Okay. So this parity bit, only can check error. Yeah. For example, this one, original bit, and some can add the last one, set the number of 1, even or odd. This is parity bit. Sometimes when the delivery and can change this one, so you can change, it can be seen that there is an error because the number of 1 is not even number. 1, 2, 3. So where is it used? Although it is not in the memory of the personal computer. Normal memory so doesn't support some error check or error correction. Sometimes we can use it to some corrupt when running application in your laptop. So there is an ECC error correcting code memory when using the error correction function in the server memory. Server is just some really sensitive and some more important. So when use application, so we need to some this function ECC as ECC. So in this memory, parity bit calculation is performed during writing processing, and parity information is also recorded. Yeah. So normal memory just write to memory some this we change. So read from memory is just over. But this ECC, when using ECC memory, same thing, there is some can check correct. Yeah. So the error check means to check for error in the digital data by itself and to detect when it is damaged. Error correction refers to automatic recovery.